This week's Parshat Beshalach, contains the famous Az Yashir. Immediately following Kriyat Yam Suf, Bnei Israel traveled for 3 days and could not find water. They came to a place called Marah and were unable to drink the water there because it was bitter. They complained to Moshe, and Moshe prayed to Hashem. Hashem showed Moshe a tree and told him to put it in the water. As soon as the bark of the tree touched the water, it turned sweet, and Bnei Israel were able to drink the water. The Midrash adds in the idea that the bark of the tree was actually bitter, not sweet. Usually, when you want to sweeten something that is initially bitter, you add a sweet substance to it, like sugar in coffee. In this case, God amplified the miracle by sweetening the water with a bitter tree. Usually, Hashem does not make a miracle even greater for no reason, so from here we must learn a lesson. In addition, since it is taught immediately after the splitting of the sea, when the nation is still young and growing on its own, this lesson must be particularly important for this particular moment. The lesson of these incidents is that sometimes the sweetest outcome can emerge from the bitterest pain. Hashem is trying to teach Bnei Israel a lesson. This is a difficult but critical lesson that every nation must now learn. Even more so, it is a lesson for us as individuals as well. Situations that sometimes appear to us as terribly bitter may eventually produce the sweetest of results. While a person is in the process of suffering through bitterness, he cannot imagine what positive outcomes can come from the situation. However, bitter wood in bitter water can eventually produce sweetness. Although things in our everyday lives may sometimes seem difficult and impossible to overcome, Hashem wants us to remember that good things will come out of the pain. Shabbat Shalom.